Alright guys, welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another exciting edition of Sunday Fun Day. Pretty sure it's becoming one of the most exciting shows on all of YouTube. Well, we had a slow week last week. Basically all we did was we deposited our $500. I made a video last week about all the stocks that we purchased with that $500. And then after that, we basically just waited for some of the dividends to start running in. And we did receive a dividend from Independent Bank, which was 20 cents. So that's pretty amazing. And that's off of just one share. That's about 20-some dollars. Independent Bank cost us $21.85, and we received our first dividend from that. So that was 20 cents. The other thing we did this week is while we were in Vegas, we decided we tried to invest in some of the slot machines. So we took $200 and invested it in various slot machines and got basically mostly nickels back. So I decided, forget that. I'm not going to invest that way anymore. A long time ago, you used to be able to invest in those slot machines and you'd walk away with a bunch of money, but must be a real bad market right now. I think they'd call that a bear market. So I decided, if I can do that with $200 and get a couple nickels here and there back, I'm just going to take all my change that we had deposited into a savings account to get the kids' college fund started. I'm just going to take that $700 and I get $732. And I just deposited that into my Webull account. And basically, I've just been waiting for that cash to settle so that we can start making purchases. So far, I believe our whole account... But anyways, I don't know if you guys remember, but Webull ran a deal where if you deposited at least $500 into your account, they were going to give you 3 free stocks. So while we were in Vegas, we also got our 3 free stocks, and they have finally made it to our account, which the stock was VG. We got 3 shares of VG. So basically, I believe when we was awarded the stock was worth $9.20. See if I can get it pulled up. Yep, $9.21. So we got 3 shares. But the goofy thing is by the time it makes it to your account, which takes about 5 to 7 days, the value of the stock is different. So, which is, in a way, it's a good thing because now I have 3 shares of VG that was $10.70 a piece. So that in itself right there, I got $30 and no, it was $10.70 a piece. So the whole amount I basically got through these 3 stocks was $32.10. So if you take $32.10, divide it by $500, which was the deposit, basically I made about a 6% return on my money if I just take and sell these stocks. Funny story though, basically since I've received the stocks have gone down in price 60 cents. So I'm just going to hold on to them for a few weeks because I have a feeling this is one of those stocks that go up and down and people buy and sell it all the time. So I'm just going to hold on to it for a while, and maybe if it goes up a certain percentage, I'll take and sell it, and then I'll buy a different stock that pays a dividend because VG, which is Vonage Holdings, it currently doesn't pay a dividend, so I'm just going to hold on to it till it goes up to a certain amount, and then I'll probably sell it and buy a dividend stock. So, and the other, because here's an example. The free stock I got for opening my account was Tiva, and that stock came into my account at $9.33, and right now it's up to $12.96. So that's a pretty good thing for the portfolio, I guess. Honestly, I have no clue. I have no clue what I'm doing. So, but that's all it was. Make sure you tune in next week because I will have an update of what we bought with our $732 worth of change. Our account's getting up there, and basically all we've used is change, pop bottle money, and then I did have $500 that was just sitting in my savings account that I put into here. So as of right now, we're up to $1,585.97. So that's pretty impressive for basically a month and a half. And it's really impressive because it's basically spare change. Like, I'm excited to see how it gets to the end of the year, because my goal for the year was to have $1,200 invested, and I already beat that. And then my goal, since then, I made a new goal that I'm hoping to be able to have $100 worth of dividends, because that seems to be like a lot of dividends to get in 1 year, you know. So we'll see if we can hit the $100 for the year. And then I also have a goal that I want to at least be able to buy one new stock with just dividends. So I'm going to find one company that with all my dividend money, I'm going to buy that company for the whole year. And then at the end of the year, we can see how my money is making me money, finally. Almost 38 years later. So if that sounds exciting to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you want to start investing yourself and you want to use Webull, there's a link down in the description below where you can open an account, fund your account with $100, and you'll get 2 free stocks from Webull. I'll also get 1 free stock. That's just a thing Webull does. And they usually have a lot of specials to where if you're going to deposit money, you'll get free stocks anyways. So if you want, check it out. Hope you guys had a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the video where I ran through all the stocks I bought with my $510 deposit, you can click the link right here. If you want to see the most recent upload, you can click the link right here. Remember, this is Sunday Fun Day, where we are trying to invest in ourselves and invest in stocks so we can have more time and more money to spend time in the shop doing projects.